you want to make sure to have Google Chrome, that's the colorful circle, as your browser before you start any of this. Go to Letty Dent Elementary, and you are going down here to Coding, a Unique Discovery. From here, you will want to right-click on Outer Space Adventure, open that in a new link. So you can see you've got that tab going there, this tab here. You can X out of the Letty Dent tab. Next, you need to go to Sign In. Okay? You do not have a login for this. You go to I'm a Student, enter class code. Your class code for this, everyone is going to the same one. It's J3C2BD. Yes? Yes? Yes. Now this information you are writing down on the piece of paper that Mrs. Taylor gave to you. Okay? Mrs. Taylor, this is what you want to give the students the third of the sheet. They write down their name, they write down their username from this, and their password from this. Then they're going to say they're done. Come over here, use the username they gave you and the password they gave you, and you're going to end up being able to watch the same video under a login. Okay? The video, you're going to want to split screen. So, hold on a second, friends. That didn't work the way I'd hoped. Too many things open. So you've got, pretend this is the video over here, and then you are working over here. Some of you dislike Scratch. I understand that. Just watch the video. You'll figure these things out. To add a sprite, you go to the icon, choose a sprite, and then you can choose what you want to put in. All right? And then you'll want to go, since I'm on that sprite already, and if I want him to turn, I'll put this over here, right? Oops, I only want one. And then I want him to turn when I hit the flag. So I'm going to go back over here. So you can see, I'm going to hit the flag, and he turns. Okay, so that is what you're doing today. If you're in here, you cannot log in. There's no way to save it. So I'm going to ask Mrs. Taylor to take some pictures and send them to me. All right, Mrs. Taylor, if you could take pictures of the backs of students with their screens, that would be amazing. Thank you. That's it.